Hi, I'm Annika Sweeney with the Whatcom Conservation District.
Introducing the Whatcom Explorer mobile watershed. Mounted on a 4x6 foot trailer, this place-based educational tool engages students of all ages. It has an interactive sand table with flowing water and an accurate three-dimensional topographic map of Whatcom County from Mount Baker to the Bay. The Whatcom Explorer enables the learner to visualize concepts like, what is a watershed? The different types of landforms in Whatcom County and how they are shaped by erosion and weathering, how pollution is transported through a system, and the differences between permeable and non-permeable surfaces for stormwater infiltration, benefits of open space and farmland for natural resource protection, and what does good salmon habitat look like and how we can protect it. Most of all, the Whatcom Explorer allows for fun while learning in a student-centered environment. Available for school groups and events around Whatcom County year-round. Contact the Whatcom Conservation District for more information.